Good afternoon, everybody. This is Doug from Darkwater North. We're looking at the Browning X377. It does say A377, but wherever else I've looked at it, it said X377. It is obviously a folding pocket knife with all the fixings, well made, solid. And we're going to take a quick look at it right now. As you can see, we have here a very nice looking pocket knife. The steel is a 440C stainless steel, which is a nice steel. Works good. The heat treat, I believe, is 58 to 60 HRC. Got a stone wash on it. It's a high carbon steel, as you know, 440C. It's easy to resharpen. It resists corrosion. It does have some kind of like coating on it, but I'm not really sure exactly what that is. It has the dual thumb studs, as you can see right here. It has a, which makes it right easy to open. It has a flipper right here. A little protection for the finger as well. But when you close it up, and then you just pop it right open, right? Easy. G10 scales, textured handle here. It's a comfortable handle. It has a lanyard hole in it down here. You can see it's skeletonized there with some pins holding it together with steel liners. You can see right in there, eh? And the jimped basically liner lock for the thumb there. Yeah. It's a real nice looking knife. It's got the clip point, the hollow grind, a nice pocket clip, as you can see, deep carry. It's really solid, and it has the Browning Stag insignia lasered in here, which is really a nice little touch. And the G10 scale's got this grooving, and the corners beveled are slightly shaped down, so it's comfortable in the hand, like I was saying. Very comfortable in the hand. The jimping here on the back, which is nice. A finger groove here, so it keeps the blade in your hand. The length of the blade is approximately 3 3/4 inches long, and the overall length of the knife is 8.5 inches. The thickness of the blade is roughly just under 1/8 of an inch. Excuse me. And you have these T6 torque fasteners here to keep the handle in place. And T6 is pretty common. It's a small little torque lock. Now, like I say, it keeps the knife in the hand there really good. The grip is nice. There is slight hot spots here and there, but nothing major. Very comfortable and solid. Solid. Really solid. So that's what you're going to like. And it's really well made and put together well. And the opening mechanism is, like I say, nice. And we got the jimping here, as I'm mentioning. And yeah, very comfortable in the hand. So that's it right there. The Browning A377, but known commonly as the X377. And it's a nice little pocket knife. You can pick it up for a very affordable price. I seen it listed on eBay for like $10 or $12. up here in the Great White North. I paid a great big more price for it, but it's a nice knife. I like it, and I'll probably just give it away anyway. So thanks for tuning in. This is Doug from Darkwater North saying, take a look at this Browning X377. It's a great little knife. It's made really well, good steel, and a great mechanism. Comfortable in the hand. Check it out. You can look it up, Browning X377. And if I do get a link, I'll put it in the description. Check out the description for any more details you're looking for. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you, and have a great day. Stay safe.